Welcome back. So one of the videos I was talking about, I was got to do a review on Starbond stuff. I finally got the stuff that they sent me. A whole bunch, pretty much one of everything plus the accelerator. So you can use Code EPPS10 with them and get 10% off your purchase, which came in a nice time because I've got these two that I've got to do glue ups on. This one's a hot hornbeam burl, and there's 80. This one's from a hot hornbeam also, but I don't know if it's a burl. It was a mass growing off of it. Stuff is really curly. When I did the pour, it started floating, so I grabbed something real quick and sat on the top of it, which was a cup. And the only thing that I'm guessing, the reason why I did that is epoxy gets hot. It heated up there in the cup, and then as it cooled, there in the cup cooled and sucked it up inside of there. That's the only thing that I can figure out that caused that. Kind of weird, but and I also put a few popsicle sticks in there to hold it down. That won't be no problem to turn out. Not at all. That I've got to sand it down and put a tenon on. Actually, I put a tenon on this side, so I can turn that off. So let's get to the shop. So far, even with a beard, they've been great. They've been keeping the dust out. So I'm gonna keep on rocking along. Besides, what good's a review if you do it on just one piece? Alright, so here it is. Fully finished. I got the photos up, and I was reached out to by Basecamp to do a review on some of their masks, which that one is this one. And they also sent some of these everyday wearing out in public masks to wear all in town to keep from getting sick. So I've been wearing these quite a good bit. Even having a beard, they don't itch. And having a beard and wearing this, it did great. Didn't itch, wore fine. So if you're interested in these, look up Basecamp. They don't recommend these being used out in public to keep from getting sick. They're more for dust and stuff like that. I mean, I've used them for cutting down trees. I've used them in crawl spaces. Used them up in the shop, sanding, turning, all kinds of stuff. This is one of the clean ones that I got. There was 2 in the bag. The other one, it's still up in the shop being used, and I'm going to be using it on 2 more pieces. So, hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in any of the masks, I'll put a link up in the description. That way you can check them out. See you next time.